Porsche rebirths, a 20-year-old Carrera GT to factory condition, Porsche's Sonderwunsch division. Its bespoke vehicle customization service has recently completed a remarkable project. A full restoration of a 2005 Carrera GT, effectively resetting the supercar to a 0-kilometer condition. The owner, Victor Gomez, requested a complete mechanical and cosmetic overhaul, resulting in a vehicle that is functionally brand new despite being 2 decades old. The factory recommission process, Porsche's factory recommission projects involve a total disassembly of the car, with components restored or replaced to match their original 2005 specifications. This isn't just cosmetic. The technical elements are brought back to factory-fresh condition, akin to rolling back time on the vehicle's lifespan. The process isn't limited to just the Carrera GT. A first-generation Cayenne GTS with a rare 6-speed manual transmission underwent the same treatment. A personalized revival while the mechanics are factory original. The aesthetics are entirely bespoke. Gomez commissioned Porsche to repaint the Carrera GT in a racing livery inspired by the 1970 Le Mans winning 917. Driven by Hans Hermann and Richard Atwood, the car now wears the iconic red and white colors of Salzburg, accurately replicated with a protective foil layer to ensure it can be driven without fear of damaging the hand-painted finish. Further customizations include matte black carbon accents, black anodized engine cover grills, and black wheels for contrast. The interior is equally transformed, featuring extensive red Alcantara throughout the cabin, from the dashboard and door cards to the steering wheel and center console. Porsche even incorporated black textile from the 918 Spyder on select surfaces, along with matte carbon seat shells, instrument panels, and air vents. An investment in driving, not just collecting the Carrera GT, was originally priced at €452,690 in Germany and $440,000 in the United States. While Porsche has not disclosed the cost of the restoration, it was undoubtedly substantial. However, the owner's intent isn't to lock the car away as an appreciating asset. Instead, Gomez plans to drive his revitalized supercar, embracing its performance rather than treating it as a mere collector's item. Now I own a Carrera GT in new condition, with 0 kilometers on the odometer, and outside and inside according to my personal ideas. This project exemplifies Porsche's commitment to individualized luxury, offering customers a unique opportunity to own a truly one-of-a-kind vehicle. The restoration proves that even a 20-year-old supercar can be reborn, blending nostalgia with modern personalization.